Hello, it's everybody's favourite time of the day once again. Welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, the year of 1 million transactions per second and more. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinsv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a little flutter in private using the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's get into it.
Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. Just wait for the Terra node, you'll surely see.
Alrighty, Roo, check it out. Price is kind of like flying high. We've got 50.67 in the top left by Prev, but CoinDance reporting 51 at the moment. We've got Gregcoin, shitcoin at 69,390. All those shitcoiners with shit for brains going to be celebrating on that one. But let's see what we've got here. So we've got Gregcoin at BTC 69,390. Bcrash 361. Fish Price Cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. Oh yeah, right, see what's going on then. Hash rate 0.08, but let's have a look at the difficulty adjustment on BTC. Look at that, it is an all-time high yet again. What I think they are doing is that they are squeezing the miners off the network till there are no miners left bar one, and then they'll move it to proof of stake. That's what I think they're doing. They do not want a competitive system, and when you can print an infinite amount of fiat currency, which is what this lot can do, you can expend their mining companies, indefinitely and without any economic penalty, because you just print currency from nothing. You asset strip things. That's what they do, and this is what's going on here. So, we went through the posts earlier today about saying there's going to be an issue here about miners not being able to make enough. Well, yeah, I mean, they've purposely starved the network. BTC is a network that is either designed to fail or inevitably end up in the hands of a centrally controlled party. That's it, because it's not a competitive system. Because there aren't going to be any transactions for you to compete for. And we can see it here. Look at that. I mean, the miners are going to be squealing. Obviously, not the big miner that can afford, that's got unlimited amount of funds, probably financed by BlackRock and the central banks and all that. But all the other miners, they'll be like, what the hell is going on? Like, what on earth is going on? Crazy. Let's have a look at the hash rate on Bitcoin. Oh. So that's Bcrash, Bitcoin, just going up and take Bcrash out, see what it looks like. Oh, just sort of gone down a little bit. Plodding along though. Oh, yeah, looking quite strong. Liking that. Good. Network nodes, so for anybody who hasn't seen a mining operation, these are they. This is the backbone to the new global financial system. The world's first ever common digital network. Or commoditized digital network. Blows my mind every time. Literally. Just staggering. I mean, look at the sizes and Riot platforms. Good grief. Texas Monthly. Bitcoin miners could save Texas and all this. Phew. I mean, it's a massive operations. My goodness. Transactions, so we've got 8.44. Let's have a look at BitInfo charts. Yeah, looking really tiny there. 58,056. Let's just cross-reference that with what's on chain. Yep, 58,053. Yep. All right, we'll have a look at the mining in just a minute. Close that. Block size, let's see the amount of data coming through here. So the biggest block we have there is 3 megabytes, so 3.6. Nothing like the gigabyte blocks we're used to seeing. But anyway, We've got Bitcoin hash rate. Yeah, that will just come with time. Proof of work, again, it should all be on genuine Bitcoin because Bitcoin started in 2009, whereas BTC, as we know it today, only started on the 1st of August 2017. But as you know, these charts are designed to deceive us, really. So it's currently only 47,860 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Corecoin. Is usually a lot higher than that. And you're mining Bitcoin at a 5% comparable loss. Only 5%. Oof. That means the profitability must be increasing. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Yeah. Transactions by network. Yeah. Transactions per block by network. It's a log curve. Bitcoin usually smashing it though. Usually smashing it. Transactions per block by network. Fees at USD. So look at that. Sub-cent fees again on Bitcoin. Smashing it on the log curve. Like massively low cost transactions. Block rewards or block fee to block reward ratio. Again, we'll see this line go up and up. The red line going up and up and up with time. Which is what the shitcoiners are concerned about. Because BTC ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Because there is no block fee. That will just be going down and down and down and down. Look, all these fees here, they go, oh yeah, the miners can finally sustain themselves. No, they can't. It was fake. It's all fake. That's what BTC is, just pure fraud is what it is. You can't deny utility. They have robbed it of all utility and contractual credibility and economic value. It is an utter shitcoin now and a shitcoin chain. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network, as Satoshi Nakamoto said, it is strictly necessary that the longest chain is always considered the valid one. And here we go, the longest chain. Look at that, by miles. That is a log curve. Good grief. Global hash rate 7 days. Oh, Foundry USA pool, Ampool. Oh. Global hash rate 24 hours. Gregcoin hash rate, so other miners 2.08. Foundry USA pool 34. Antpool just 18.75. Got Foundry USA pool financed by MasterCard. Absolutely smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. They'll be the ones pushing the difficulty adjustment up. Bcrash, so other miners now with 52.7 on there. Fisher Price Cash, who cares? Bitcoin, what on earth is going on here? What is this? What is this? Tau with just 24.3. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, Tau being squeezed. Kuv up to 39.86. But that doesn't actually quite make sense because we saw the hash rate go down. So unless Tal is moving their hash rate off of it or something. But Kuv 39.86. QD Link 22.3. Others 11.4. Gorilla Pool being squeezed. So others it's up to 11.49. Gorilla Pool down to 2.03. Mining Dutch 0.68. That's interesting. Times are changing, as they say. Wow, look at others. 11.94. Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, so in actual fact, what we saw, the profitability, it was almost much of a muchness. Look, it's only a 5% comparable loss. So it's only a 5% comparable loss. It looks to me as though others have jumped on the network in order to increase the hash rate to reduce the profitability again, so that shitcoiners, shitcoin miners aren't being attracted over to the network just yet. That's what it looks like to me. I think other miners have jumped on there because we see other miners on BTC and BCH and all, just managing the hash rate carefully. So it looks like that's what's going to happen here. Wow. Very interesting. Very interesting. Watch this space, ladies and gentlemen. Right, show metrics, blockchain growth. Here we go. Bitcoin just down 155 megabytes over the last 24 hours, but usually smashes it on all these other metrics. Look, transactions per megawatt hour, Bitcoin smashing it. Yeah, transactions like ton per CO2, bytes per megawatt hour, transactions 24 hours. Let's have a look at this. You've got kidding me, Dogecoin. Dogecoin, 845,000. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. I mean, none of these are real. There's no utility on any of these chains. Yeah, what a joke. What a joke. But interesting to look at all the same. Very interesting. All exchanges reserved. So look at this. The exchanges, look. So the price, tossing up here to almost like an all-time high. What was that? 67. Now we're at 69. 69.4. What's the all-time high? Is it about there? 73. And yet the miners are cashing out. Look. If the price is going up, why would the miners be cashing out? Look at that. They know what's coming. They know what's coming. They are cashing out, literally dropping that piece of shit like a hot potato. Good grief. I mean, this chart says it all, really. It says all of it. Why would the exchanges be letting go of this if the price is going up? Look at that. The price has been going up steadily from there. And yet they've been like cashing out like that. They know. They know. Good grief. I think this is a US. This is Tether. Tether. Well, look at that. They've been pumping the price like crazy. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. Market cap's been going up. Look, they've been buying and buying and buying. Pushing the price up. Right, the price comparison charts are going to be very interesting. We'll have a look at those. USDC, that's also on the upside as well. Look at that. They've just pumped USDC into the market. I mean, not too much though, but 34.68 to 34.72. And remember, that's billion. So you're talking about 400 million? 400 million has gone in there. Like, good grief. No, it's not 400 million. $400,000. $400,000's gone in. Let's have a look at the short positions. So we've still got a short ratio of 0.54. Again, I mean, these shitcoiners, shit for brains, no idea about SegWit protocol. Let's have a look at this. So we've got 7 days. Look, this is top cryptos with most holders. I mean, what is this? What is this? 1 day chart. Oh, seriously? Alright, look at that. That's just shot up all of a sudden. Although these figures haven't really changed, I don't think. So, but anyway, interesting kind of charts there to look at. Look, BSV on an absolute tear. Look at that. Look at that. And this is a Bitcoin SV active addresses historical chart. So just in the last 3 months. Look at that. Oh, crazy there back in 2020. Whoa. On the ups, trending on the up though. Oh no, look at that. We're at 2024 now. Oh. Oh, look at that. They've stopped reporting on the number of active addresses. Look, this goes to 2021. 18th of August 2021, and they've stopped reporting it. No way. No way. I wouldn't expect anything less. Quite looking forward to looking at the price comparison charts though, so you can actually get 1,000. Good grief, 1,376 genuine Bitcoin for one Greg coin. Good grief. And 7.18 genuine Bitcoin for one BCH coin. Good grief. My interview on with SG Anon, 71,900 views. Huge. When Neil Oliver just mentioned BSV, that video has now got 163,877. Very good. Right, let's have a look at... Whoa! Look at this! So this is Bitcoin versus Greg coin. Cool. We've had a right rally here. So this is BSV. This is Bitcoin versus the biggest shitcoin on the market, the Mac Daddy of shitcoins, BTC. Look at that. That's had an absolute tear. And this is a comparison chart. Look at. I wonder what went on here. So this was today the afternoon at like 1 o'clock today. Like 8 hours ago. What on earth? What was going on there? Is there an announcement I've missed? Was it my show that's so amazing that's done this? People are just like, whoa, Satoshi knows his stuff. You know, we're on the wrong chain. Bitcoin is BSV. Is that what happened there? Or did it only flatten out here because they started pumping Tether? I bet this is where they shit themselves and they started pumping Tether again to stop so that shitcoin traders couldn't see the comparison chart. Oof. All right. Let's have a look at that versus US dollar. Yeah, look, it's going up. Wow. All right. Let's have a look at Orange Gateway. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. We had a rally this afternoon. A Mac Daddy rally. So that's against US dollar. Let's have a look at BTC. Look at that. We had an absolute tear against BTC earlier this afternoon. That is phenomenal. Phenomenal. All right. I wonder what on earth is going on. This would explain the Tether being pumped into the market. So we've got a market cap of $2.3 trillion. Let's have a look at Greg coin here. So look at that. Looks to me like they've been pumping it with Tether. Be interesting to see what that looks like in comparison to Bitcoin. Where are we? Oops, 66. Yeah, look at that. We had a right tear this afternoon. Awesome. Loving that. Loving that. So if anybody knows what might have caused that, apart from my show, obviously, just let me know. Have we missed something? Oh, look at that. Buyers coming in. Buyers coming in and sellers looking a bit sheepish there. No way. This is Messari, BSV Markets. 24-hour trade volume. So it looks like Upbit. It looks so. This is BSV against the Korean won. So that's where they had most of the trading today in Korea. Got trade volume 10.83 million on Upbit. Honestly, the figures on these exchanges are staggering. Just 5.6. I bet they must like Craig because they did the article on Craig Wright on the Copa case in Korea, which pushed the price up to over $100. And now we've got Upbit with 10.83 million and OKX. I'm sure OKX is, you know, Far Eastern somewhere. I'm sure it is. And they're the two biggest exchanges on BSV by volume. Amazing. Gate.io, 1.15 million. God. CoinEx, almost a million, 994,000. Interesting, looking at these things. Right, this was also reported on Big Green Dildo. So they've just got that green candle today, by the looks of it. Yeah, October 28th, 6:20 p.m. All right. Been going for 37 minutes already. I was just, it looked like Craig's on a. It looks like he's written another poem there in Halls of Jade. We'll have to come back to that then. And this is what I put out today. This is is that what's caused the price there? That's got 1,153 views. Going on about the ignorance around Bitcoin's economic model is staggering. All right. So there we go. That's a 38-minute show. Loving my chart shows. Needed to do it. So as ever, if you enjoy these updates, please ding your donations for your appreciation to Satoshi at handcash.io. Remember, Satoshi Nakamoto had a vision. That vision was Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Satoshi's vision. Bitcoin is BSV. We'll leave you there. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.